Your mobile phone. Many people overlook it, but having a mobile phone and utilizing it for your business is a great way for you to be automated, for you to check in on things, for you to get things out without you physically having to be in front of your computer. I use my mobile phone to access client documents, to schedule posts in my social media dashboard. I use it to also um, be able to jump in quickly when I'm tagged in something on social media so I can answer questions right there where I'm at. I use it to create graphics and memes with the different apps I have for creating content. I can even blog on the go. I can write on the go. I can capture my ideas on the go, all from my mobile phone. Having a mobile phone and utilizing it for business will help you to get more done in less time and without being stuck behind your computer.